to the channel, guys. Before we get into today's video, on the final day of Bimini before crossing back to Miami, I want to invite you guys to watch my first and second videos titled Crossing from Miami to Bimini and visiting the SS Sapona and Honeymoon Harbor. If you have not watched them already, I encourage you guys to do so. Without further ado, let's get into today's video.
Well guys, like everything, all good things must come to an end. So today is Sunday already. Oye, no tengo freno. This golf cart has no brakes. So yeah, got everything loaded up. Now we're already checked out in the morning. So all that's left to do really now is just load up all the stuff in the boat and enjoy the rest of the day for a couple hours before we leave. So that's the plan for today. See them, they're all loaded up too. And I can't wait to come back. I haven't even left it and I can't wait to come back. Alright guys, we're pulling up here. Look at this water, super clear. We're going to a wreck of a plane. You can actually see, I don't know if with the GoPro you can, but you can actually already see the wheels up over there. So it's gonna be really cool. I've been really wanting to come here since I heard about Bimini. So it's really shallow here. I do recommend it to come in high tide. You're looking at 4 feet maybe. So here we go. You can actually see your anchor being set. But yep, that's the plane right there. All the boats are getting here little by little. And this is amazing. I can't wait to jump in and get a nice view. All right, going in. Alright guys, I had a great time. We explored, but now it's time to go to the next spot. We're gonna go to the beach now, spend a little bit of time before the trip back all the way to Miami. So here we go. Alrighty, we're here, the beautiful Radio Beach, having some lunch right up there. And yeah, everybody's getting ready to take off to go back to Miami. All right, guys, we're gonna say bye-bye to Bimini. We're gonna head all the way east towards Miami. I mean, this trip was amazing. The weather's been amazing. We've gotten super flat weather the whole way. We couldn't have really asked for anything else, honestly. And I'm just leaving and I can't wait to come back, honestly. Like, this place is paradise and it's just an hour away from Miami, so I can't wait. So bye-bye Bimini, and we gotta go back to the States. So all the boys are leaving up ahead, and we're all gonna make a nice safe travel. So I'll catch you guys up on the way back.
Leaving Bimini, it was so nice and smooth that I was able to go full speed and gain a lot of time on the trip.
Just got rough out of nowhere. I was running smooth at about 50, and all of a sudden I just got into very choppy water. All of a sudden, we got rough.
Since I was a couple miles ahead of the guys, I radioed them back and let them know about the changing weather.
The closer we get, the worse it's getting. Actually got my trim tires pretty good. And I'm only going about 40. About 2 to 3. I mean, it's nothing crazy, but nothing like how when we came out of Bimini that I thought it was gonna be flat the whole way. It's actually a little tiny bit more rougher coming right now than it was when we came 2 days ago. Just like Miami, there's a lot of rain down there. But either way, I'm only 10 miles out. So it says I'm gonna get there in another 18 minutes. So not bad at all. I'm actually secretly hoping that Haulover is kind of rough today, so I can test my boat out. Well, let's see when we get there. All right, we're about to pull into the famous Haulover. When I left on Friday, it was super smooth, so it was nothing really exciting to see. Let's see now how it's gonna be now, since the weather's a little bit choppy over here, a little windy. Super calm today at the end of the day.
This is the famous Haulover Sandbar. As you guys can see, rain or shine, it is always packed every weekend. I've actually never been here to the Haulover Sandbar. I gotta plan a day to come out here.
Ariel, do you copy? It's Jerry, man. I got your fish in my in the freezer.
I'll get your contact number. We gotta work something out.
Guys, this trip was simply amazing. I recommend anybody with a decent sized boat to cross over and visit Bimini for themselves. I want to give a special shout out to Miguel Tebusco, Pura Vida, Jerry, and of course Chase and Reef that have become really good friends of mine since the minute we've met. For 2022, I plan on coming to Bimini a lot more times, this time bringing my family along so that they can enjoy the beautiful island and the waters that are surrounding it. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I'll see you guys on the next video.